Hey everybody, Cable Captain here. I'm just going to show you a simple little thing of what editing program I use to make just the major edits and stuff like that. Okay, so what I've got here is the VideoPad video editor. Okay, so you guys are going to want to open up your internet browser. For me, it is Google Chrome. Now that we've got the internet up finally, you just want to type in NCH software. Sorry, I am typing this in the dark. So, okay. So now NCH comes up. So what you're going to just go down into NCH, and you're going to want to go underneath video, and then you're going to want to go to VideoPad. And I'm actually using one of their programs right now. I'm using Debut Webcam Desktop Recorder. It's also a great program. Records very nicely. Okay, and they have a ton of other programs. So this is the only one that does like full video editing and garbage like this. It's pretty easy to use, so I'd recommend it. So what you're going to want to do, you just want to press Get It Now, and immediately a little, yep, there it goes. So once you get that, you're just going to want to install it, and once you do that, you will have a 14-day trial for this. And they always add new stuff. Like just this last update, they added this, and it's like special, and so you can go like this or this or this or this, like the in and out and all that. This is the original way, but they just added the option where it's just like this, and you have the effects and the transitions, but there currently is no media down here. So what you're going to want to do when you're making a first project, you're going to want to make sure you have all your options set up. My media files, you want to ask like when you save a video narration or narration or whatever, or snapshot resolution, or like what you want to save it in, soundtracks. And you're going to want to make sure you save your captured videos, because you can press this capture button and it will capture a webcam, for instance, or you can save recorded narrations to yada 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 yada, all that good stuff. And also, they also have plug-in filters. You can find those by pressing, oh come on, you can get plug-in filters by clicking this button right here. And if you do not have any, well, then you click this right here. So there you go. Okay, so now that we have to get rid of the blank timeline. Okay, and the hotkeys that you're going to really want to remember just to make things easier is you're going to want to you click something. You have to click something to make it selected, and then you can press the delete key on your computer, and then also L, for instance, like this. When you drag your timeline to say like right here, you press L, it chops it in half. Which that's an important hotkey to remember. Those are the two main ones that I remember because they're easier rather than clicking and right clicking and all that. So for let's see, a sample clone high five, that'll work. That's a short little video clip. Okay, so what you're going to want to do, you want to drag it onto your sequence, and yeah, it is a, so you can see this is unedited, and you can see that the blur up here on the fingers, because this right here is actually an imaginary line. And I thought it was going to be much closer. Okay, so this button right here, you're going to want to need to know this. It's add a text, image, or audio, or text, image, or video. So right here, this is if you want to make a thing, if you want to add an image or a video, and then you can use chroma key if you have if you have a green screen in the back. However, the chroma key option is very poor. It is very pixelated. So professional help with chroma key, then you better go get another program, because this one is not really equipped. It's equipped with it, but it's not for professionals. Okay. So now what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to add on, say, music. So you're going to want to get out of here, go back to here, and go to music. And let's just go to various artists, Kevin and Ryan, and we'll just bring in their little soundtrack. And what's nice is the first time you load something into a VideoPad, it will take some time, but the next times it will be very cooperative. So what's great about this software is that it's got multiple layers of soundtrack, so it makes it perfect for video editing. I myself have not actually gone all the way down to how many soundtracks there are, but I need to get back up there. Oh, gee whiz. But yeah, you can also name your soundtrack if you want to. That's always good. And then this is just for your audio, prime audio track that's like linked to your video. Very important. So this is good when you want like you want to just keep these all on 100% just to make everything kind of thing. And this is also if you just want to like if you don't want to like go like this and like right click and say like because what I used to do, I used to go like this. Instead of pressing L at a certain position, I might used to press this. And see, like it says you can also use L to do it. So, okay, so anywhere on the sound, you can just see what it looks like. Let me see. It'll always be kind of a little bit laggy at the front there. There we go. That's good just for test sequences. Alright, so you're just gonna split. I'm sorry. Oh, jeez, I'm really messed up. Okay, so you just want to delete this. Oh wait, it did work, I think. Never mind. I'll forget it. Okay, so now that you got your stuff on here, you're going to want to. You can preview this. It's a little laggier than the original, than what it will be. Don't worry, and it looks like a worse quality than it does. So the preview is nothing to worry about. Now, if like down here, if the quality's pretty pixelated and stuff like that, you kind of want to worry about that. And you can do all sorts of crazy stuff like add effect of like smoothness, or you can see like down over here you can make it smooth or sharp or whatever, or you can go like this, press X and get rid of it. So let's just add like a sepia tone, but not so much sepia. Oh wait, no, you can't do that. Okay, saturation will work. There, I like that. Wait, did I even do anything? Did I even do anything? At 2, there's no difference. Okay, whatever. Okay. So now once you get all that done, you can also like choose transitions, like in this case what you want to do like right about, like see right when it gets into the blur zone, you want to just click this and go like add a fade through white just to make it a little interesting. But except what you want to do, you'll see right about you'll see these. This is the transition bar. It'll load up when it's ready, like that. So what I want to do, you click this and you have to drag this inward to make sure to just like select your duration on one side. This is a very easy program to use, and it's a very simple. What I love is so simple about it, and it's very compatible with most formats. So now you can upgrade to the free version if you want, which I do not, but yeah, whatever. So then you can add subtitles or narrate. That would be like this. You select a part in the time, press record, and make sure you got everything all set up, and press record and record whatever you want. So then what you want to do, you just want to press save movie, and it will do this like the first time. It will like give you like a little loading bar as like searching for your drivers and all that, and you can choose it'll be like originally set to this, like to disk when you first get it, but you want to just go over here and switch it to computer data, or you can just upload to YouTube or stereoscopic 3D. I'm not very knowledgeable about 3D, but if you want more help on that, then please visit their website and contact them. So then what you want to do, if you just want to auto-detect what it is, in this case, don't always go with the frame rate unless you're still in editing. If this is like, say this is going to be the export zone, then what you'd immediately want to do, you want to switch it down to like 24 frames for like film, or maybe just NTSC. And then encoder options, it's kind of important depending on like this is not compatible. This format is not compatible with most editing programs, as neither is this. That's why you just want to keep it to MPEG-E4, and you want to you can choose a variety of garbage like that and all this good stuff. You want to just press OK. You can select a preset if you want, like say if you want a YouTube widescreen video or anything like that. So you want to make sure you press OK, make sure that you just see this. Good, it's like how it should be. Now, all you're going to want to do is you're going to want to press OK, and it will create your video file. Since this is only a 10-second video, it's not going to take too long. But since I am using screen capture, it will kind of be a little dragged on. So now that after your video has been created, simply what you want to do is if you want to view the folder or view the video that you just created, you can press open folder, and it will give you the option of highlighting the video that was just created, and you can click it and view it however. And then It's also good just to keep this in the background when you're watching it, just in case you don't get it right. You can easily just go back and correct the problem. So, after that's done, you can also save the project, and yeah, for future reference or whatever. And yeah, so after the 14 days, it'll ask you to either buy or get rid of it. But what you can do, you can go to your control panel and go to your programs and files, or programs and features as it is on Windows 7, and change the file to where you download to the free version, or downgrade to the free version, where you get everything for free. So that is everything I have to say about VideoPad Video Editor, and it's a great program. You guys would love it. You guys will love it if you download it. And this video was also actually recorded with the debut video capture software. That's also great too. As that also is a 14-day trial before you have to give it up. But like the VideoPad Video Editor, you can downgrade to the free version, and your life will be saved. This is a great way to get best video performance without using money.